Yeah, you're right. It needs to happen faster, but it's going to happen as it happens. We're here for pre-dawn. We're going to start off this morning. Wait a minute. Welcome back to M Hood Fishing. Yeah, you're right. We're going to start off this morning with the Sabiki. I have no bait. It's the Mississippi River. When I got here, there was nobody parked in front of me, but of course, they see me and they decide that's where we're going to park. There's one right now. Hopefully he takes off because he's right where I want to cast and he's just staring at me. Yeah, still staring at me, and he's staring at me, staring at him, staring at him, staring at me, still staring at me, staring at him, staring at me. He's a good size one, maybe a 6-footer, possibly even 7. We'll just leave him there. Oh, there's like a school of fish coming in right behind him too. Oh, did you see that? As soon as my lead hit, you might not have. We still don't have enough light, but we need that light to just keep coming because I want to get this headlamp off my head. Anything like headlamp or camera, as soon as it gets on my head, it's like an instant headache. Very low river, just like the other day. It's around 4 feet. Seems to be less current right now than the last time I fished it. Alligator still there. I wanted an easy session this morning over here on this side of the river, but if nothing happens in like 20 minutes, if I don't get any skipjack, I might just have to go down that snaky, windy path through the woods to the spot where I know we will get something with the Sabiki. There's definitely bait here. Is it skipjack? I don't know. There's something chasing bait. Like, look, there's a school of mullet or something getting chased by something. Going right in front, almost in that alligator's mouth. I'm pretty sure he was aware of that, and it's still coming in front of us here along the edge of the rocks. I have caught skipjack and white bass and catfish and other things at this particular spot. As spots go in this network of trails over here, this is the first one. And that's why I was saying I wanted an easy, quick session. So I thought I would do the first spot. But many times if I come with the same intentions, same idea, and realize 20 minutes in or more that it was not the spot for the day. Not, you know, not the magic one anyway. There is stuff here. And this, see? There we go. There's one reason why. Maybe my mind is made up already. Just like that, we hit something there. This spot is snaggy. Are you happy now? There we go. First skipjack. Yep. Well, it's the second one, but it's the first one that I got up here, and it's a good size one too. There's actually skipjack coming out of the water. You can tell the difference between mullet and skipjack when they come out of the water. Mullet come out of the water gracefully. Whoop. Skipjack come out. I had no idea that I had a little tiny white bass on there. Little skipjack. That was a mullet. There we go. That is a white bass. Sometimes I just have no idea that I have a little white bass on. This isn't a super sensitive rod. This is the Sabiki rod I use when I'm in the ocean, like Grand Isle or somewhere like Florida. I used to use a much lighter rod for the river, but at the moment this is the one we're using. Here we go. Whoa. As soon as it hit the water, what did we do? Snag something? This is a bigger fish. Oh. Yes, look at that. Fish jumping like crazy. How many fish do we have? We got something silent. We got 2 fish on here, I think. Oh, no, we just got the one. Look at that shad. Look at that shad. That is awesome. So I have a night session coming up tonight, and I need bait for it. It's a big fish session, hanging out with Alex. That's going to go a long way for what we want to do. That's going to help us out. Awesome. I thought I had more than 1 fish. Wouldn't it be nice if there's just a lot of those around and that keeps happening? I'm here to get skipjack. I would like to put a line out, see if we can get a cat. But because I have a session tonight, so it's 2 sessions today, right? And I got to sleep between them. So we're not going to be here forever this morning. It's going to be hot anyway. This may be like the other day. It's just a bait video. Here comes a fish. What do we got? A little white bass. He don't want to, his camera shy. There we go. Oh, there you go. Go. This has got to be like my favorite way to get bait. The Sabiki. You never know what you're going to get. I mean, some people are like, they turn their nose up to Sabiki fishing. I don't know why. Maybe they have some misconception about it. But a lot of times you just never know what you're going to get. There's a lot of fish that are prized for their meat that you could actually just bang, you know, just like pound them with the Sabiki, bringing them in. You can get Spanish Mac with the Sabiki. You can get Pompano with the Sabiki. I mean, it's not just bait fish. There's all sizes of Sabikis that you can choose and varieties. We're using the fish skin variety with the chartreuse beads on it. I will show you one of the packs later in the video so you see the size and everything. So my main line of the Sabiki is not as strong as the main line of my rod, and then my branch lines are not as strong as the main line of the Sabiki. So these can break. Like if you get a really big fish or something, it's not going to kill your Sabiki, it's just going to break the branch line. there are a lot of sabikis out there that aren't that great. They don't work real good. Maybe in certain circumstances they do. I tend to not buy the ones with the shrimp on them. I have the O, and I do have some. Those do work for white bass and skipjack, but not as productive as the fish skin style that I'm using this morning. There we go, there's a skipjack right there. That is a nice skipjack. Look, he's got some weight to him. Awesome. This is actually better this morning than the other morning when I was here. We're gonna be coming away with some decent bait. We may put out a line for cats in this video, we may not, because like I said, we don't want to take too much time this morning because we got to edit this video and then take a nap and get out. You know, we got to get ready for the next one. Sometimes one video facilitates another video or videos. That is pretty much what's going on this morning. But I think it's a good morning. We have a different tide here. We're about to have a wake. We're probably going to have to step back because the wakes. Oh, we got a fish too. Skipjack as well. Stay on. You're going crazy. We got a cargo ship coming up river. He's probably going to put a semi-substantial wake up onto this area where we're fishing, and I'm just going to step back and let it happen. I may film it though. Not the biggest, but we got another skipjack. The worst of it is yet to come. Oh, there's fish going nuts out in it though. Here we go. Oh. Is something. Oh, it may have just got off. Oh, no, I had two of them. One was a skipjack and the other was this white bass. Getting a lot of little ones. Here we go. It is definitely getting warm in these woods here. The humidity is coming up. I'm considering saying that we have plenty and that we're good and we need to go, but I'm also just wanting to stay and catch more fish too, because I'm definitely catching fish. What is this? Is this more than one, or oh my goodness? Ah, at least one of them's a skipjack. It's almost a full stringer. So not that I have the time to spare this morning, but one thing I'll do days where I'm just pounding the skipjack is put them in the freezer. I'll vacuum pack them, and that way they'll be good. But it's a procedure. Takes time, right? Come on, let me do it for you. There you go. You got it. Oh, you gonna come right back up here? What's wrong with you? You got it? You got it. Yeah, you're right. Any second, the tsunami is on its way, and any second, you hear it? It's just barely here. Barely here. And here it is. coming in. Wow. I'm about to go, and this is the outro. I look out after that tsunami, fish busting bait out there. But look at this up in here and in other places around us. There are pop-ups coming in. It's raining in other places already. There's thunder and lightning, and it's coming this way. So if we get out of here now, we'll be unscathed. Yeah, you're right. Thanks for hanging out with me while I was getting the candy. Yeah, you're right. Now, onwards we go. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, blah, blah, blah. Man, what's the matter with me? Subscribing, and being a member of the channel. Yeah, you're right. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you next time. Wow, that is absolutely orange.